Cleveland Sound Lab.
Jolene, oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, please don't take him even though you can. Your beauty's beyond compare, flaming locks of auburn hair and ivy skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile's like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. And I can easily understand you could easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. And he talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he called your name, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. If I could have this talk with you, my happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. And you could have had your choice of man, but I can never love again, and he's the only one for me, Jolene.